Yo. Holy fuck, bro. God. Nigga, what the fuck? What are the odds? What is the odds, bro? Yo. Man. This is dangerous. What the fuck, my nigga? My COVID test, bro. I ain't got time for this. Oh, nah, it's going crazier. Ah, damn. Oh my God. Niggas is huddled under this bridge. Yo, y'all see that lightning? This shit is treacherous. Yo, it smell like lightning out here. Yo, the forecast literally says 95 degrees, sunny as shit. And it was. That thunder is beating as loud as I've ever heard it, bro. I don't even think niggas can fly out in this weather, bro. Yo, the sun look like it's coming back out though. What the hell? Life is crazy, bro. Life is really crazy, bro. Last day in Vietnam, shit. I almost was secure in the airport. Another tribulation, you feel me? This is the game. This is the journey. You think you're safe and sound? You think you're ready for takeoff? It's another fucking battle. Shit is ruined. My man's hooked the package up. But it's starting to clear up though. That's the beauty of life. Storms always pass. Beauty of life. Storms don't last forever. Shorty whole shit is a see-through. Good thing she got a bra on, nigga, cause them titties is outie. Niggas is making a run for it. Oh nah. Should I? Fuck it, right? Fuck it. Alright, we back in the street. When don't kill you makes you stronger, bro. When don't kill you makes you stronger. Hey. Damn, my kicks is fucked. The journey. The road was never easy, bro. Know that. No, the road is never easy, nigga. The fuck? To make it out on the road still won't be easy, bro. Oh, I got water all up in my socks, water up in my shoe. You gotta take that risk. You take the high road, nigga, the next level, bro. Next level gonna push you around, slap you around, beat you around, nigga. See? A minute ago, nigga, this shit was going. It looked like it was never gonna end. Now this shit clearing up. At least we got some content, though. Bro, I got like 7 videos to edit, bro. I love this shit. Yeah. It's getting hotter again too now. What the fuck? Yo, my man's got a big ass gun on him. Who he shooting with that shit? Look how deep that water is, bro. Oh, the rain is coming back. We out, we out, we out. Oh!
Came up out of dirty part, man. How the fuck I made it out the friends? I don't do no wifey, don't do friends.